I miss my blonde.
You're fucking crazy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something fun and special, another hair transformation for my sister Shauna. So today we woke up really bored, and well, I kind of am bored, but she's really bored, and I low-key knew when she texted me this morning to get up, and she was knocking on my doors because she wanted to dye her hair black. And literally every 2 years she goes through this weird phase where she needs to change her hair color. You guys, we literally just did a video on going pink. Well, and now she's bored and she wants to dye her hair again, and not only dye it, but she wants to cut it.
Well, because my hair is very dead, and I noticed in the mirror that my hair is blonde. Do you see that?
Yeah, I mean, I have the same problem.
My hair is blonde right here.
Our pink dye is
like black right here, and then it's pink. And look at that star, it's like blonde right here.
I know, we just have like some broken pieces that are like blonde, and we're not down, and we're both bored today, so we're just gonna dye her hair and cut it a few inches shorter.
So by dyeing my hair black, I don't have to worry about
constantly highlighting her
hair. Like having to go, you know,
back to the hair.
Because my natural hair is dark, so I know I'll regret this in a few months, but my hair will be healthy and not thin.
Since a lot of the stores are closed, my lovely friend decided to lend me her hair color, and it's from Wella. It's called Color Touch, and we're using the color 2, which is a shade that's really dark. It's close to black. She thinks it's like kind of dark brown, but it's like a shade of black. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna dye her whole entire hair. Obviously we know that her hair is processed, so we're gonna have to make sure we're really covering it up. And then we're just gonna give her a little trim / haircut because she wants to look a little trendy and edgy. So we're gonna cut off about like 1.5 inches, so something like there. And it's gonna be a blunt cut. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna apply the dye, and however we're gonna do it, it's a 1:2 ratio. So we're using a 6 volume. So what that means is, depending on the amount of grams we're gonna be using for the color, so we'll use, let's say if we use 20 grams of color, we're gonna use 40 grams of this. So it's gonna be double whatever we put of this. So stay tuned, keep on watching, and I'm gonna show you guys how to apply this product. So what we did here is we divided her hair into 4 sections. Basically, we did a profile section right here, and then from the top of the ear all the way to the top of the other ear, we did another section. And this is just gonna be easier for us to apply the dye onto her hair, and we'll show you how the process is gonna go. How we're gonna do this first is we're gonna apply the product directly at her root. So we're gonna make sure we apply it directly on her part. So we'll take the product and we will dab it along. We're gonna take a section of her hair. We're gonna start with this section, and we're gonna start applying it from the middle of her hair. So what we're gonna do is we'll take a piece like this, and we're gonna apply the dye directly into her hair. Finally just got done finishing and applying the dye to her hair. You guys look, she's already has black hair. How do you feel? Oh my god, I cannot believe literally within that took like what, 40 minutes? And we're back to black, honey. I'm gonna leave this product on for 20 minutes, and just so that we can make sure it soaks in all her blonde and bleached hair. And then once we're done, we're just gonna rinse out her hair. We'll show you the process, and we'll come back, have her hair dry, and we'll show you how we're gonna cut her hair. And we are back. We finally finished her hair. Look at this darkness. It's so black. Literally, she hasn't been this color in 2 years. Every 2 years we discover that she goes black. Super interesting, huh?
Yep.
So this is what it turned out like. What we're gonna do today is I'm gonna show you guys how to style her short hair. So she doesn't feel like looking like Laura Farquaad today, so we're gonna make her look cute with some beachy waves. And what we're gonna do is, instead of doing a middle part, which way do you usually part your hair? To the left or to the right? Like, let's say if we were to, hold on.
We're also not trimming it.
Yeah, we're not gonna trim it because I like her length. Do you usually flip your hair this way or, let's see, this way would be better. This way, right?
I think I go this way.
Okay. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, instead of giving her a middle part, we'll probably like do a little bit slanted, like that. So instead of taking a profile like line straight back to accomplish that side parted look, you always part at a diagonal angle like this. You see how it's like not straight, it's like diagonal? It just looks better when it comes to styling the hair. So we'll start off with this small section. And I'm gonna turn this away from her face. And we're gonna do this one towards her face. So you're gonna open the barrel, put the hair, place it in between, turn it, pull it down, turn it again, pull it down, and then just bring it down straight. And make sure the tip of the end of the hair piece is gonna be inside the barrel. So what I mean by that is, as we take this, we're gonna curl it, twist it, bring it down. Make sure this piece is in the barrel at the end. So when you start approaching closer to her hairline, you wanna make sure that you're taking the hair and you're curling it away from the face. So you'll take this, you'll open the rod, and you're just gonna curl it away. Take the rod, put it down, and curl away from the face. So we just finished curling out her hair. What I'm gonna do is, I like to take a comb, and what I like to do is, I like to, especially in the crown part of her hair, I'll like brush it down and then bring it back up to create volume in the crown of her head. Now bring your head up. And I'm just gonna take my Tresemme, and I'm just gonna lightly spritz it around her hair before I brush it through. And I'm gonna just take my fingers and comb out the curls. I like my ends to be straight. I hate when they're curled in. I think it looks interesting. So just straighten out the bottoms. We're gonna give her middle part instead because we think that's gonna look better on her face shape. So we were trying to be
on a big forehead.
Yeah, so she has a big forehead, so I think this is better. But how cute does she look with her beach waves? We also added some of our House of Braid hair accessories. Really cute, affordable, makes her hair pop, especially since it's black. But this is what the finished look looks like. Her hair is black, even though she wishes it was blonde and not pink. So we literally went from, literally in the span of 4 weeks, she went from blonde to pink to black. And I put money on it, and like, I give her 6 months.
No, I can't do that. My hair's gonna fall out. 2 years.
No, I give her, she thinks it's gonna take her 2 years to go blonde.
I'm not gonna go blonde, maybe I'll go light brown.
Okay, I give her literally 6 months to change her hair color. I don't know what color it's gonna be, but she's gonna change it. She literally changed her hair 3 times in the span of 4 weeks. And
light brown, I would say.
And then comes with and she always has a beautiful excuse to go with it.
It's gonna fit, it's gonna wash out too.
Yeah, but it looks really cute. The black, I can't complain. It came out really good. So what we're gonna do is, we will put the products that we used down below so you guys can see what she did and how we applied it. And that's really about it. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are interested in seeing more and learning more about different hair textures and doing different hairstyles, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.